At Colosso Packaging, we transform your vision into extraordinary luxury packaging solutions. Discover our elegant glass perfume bottles in 30, 50, and 100 milliliters, crafted with precision, fully customizable through silkscreen printing, hot stamping, and sophisticated brand-defining finishes. Our cosmetic glass bottles and jars, ranging from 5 to 500 milliliters, perfectly house your lotions, serums, creams, and beauty essentials, each personalized exactly to your brand's identity. We go beyond just bottles and jars. From premium custom-designed caps, precise droppers, to elegant pump solutions, every detail is tailored to match and elevate your product line. Trusted by over 100 international beauty brands across more than 10 countries, Colosso Packaging ensures not just impeccable quality, but also rapid turnaround. Because your brand isn't ordinary, your packaging shouldn't be either. Your vision matters, and we're here to bring it to life beautifully. Exceptional packaging, limitless possibilities. That's Colosso. Bring your ideas to life. Contact us today.